Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CK. Now, today we will discuss slope of line. Let's get started. Now, on your screen, slope of a line. Slope basically describes the steepness of a line. If a line goes up from left to right, then the slope has to be positive, right? Like this one, this line goes up, this would be positive, right? Now we can go next. Conversely, if a line goes down from left to right, then the slope has to be negative. Definitions of slope. Slope is simply the change in the vertical distance over the change in the horizontal distance. Slope equal to small m equal to rise by run del y by del x equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The formula above is the one which we will use to find the slope of specific lines. In order to use that formula, we need to know or be able to find 2 points on the line. If a line is in the form ax plus by or equal to c, we can use the formula following to find the slope. M equal to minus a by b. That means m equal to negative a over b. Examples: in pair negative 1, 4, second 5, 6. So m equal to 6 minus 4 means y2 equal minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here 6 minus 4 divided by 5 minus in bracket minus 1, what we get? That m equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So that means 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So m equal to minus 2 by 3. Horizontal line have a slope of 0 while vertical lines have a no slope. Let's see now. Here horizontal line m equal to 0 but vertical line no slope. This session will be help you to find the slope of lines. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.